Hi, I'm Tiffany, former head of school and college counseling, and I'm here to give you my hot take. Students are falling out of the process starting in ninth grade. Data suggests that at ninth grade, when students don't know what courses to choose, how courses translate to careers, along that journey, we call it an off ramp. And so many students, their experience in high school is not connected to the next step. And so that becomes really hard once students become 11th and 12th graders. And we're trying to say, hey, apply to college, but they don't know if they have the right courses. They haven't taken any courses that have piqued their curiosity. They haven't explored any majors or careers. They haven't even prepared to understand how to write about themselves for the college essay. And when it's time to do the actual college application, students are getting stuck because it is complex. Most systems are solving for the transcript issue or for the data so that way schools can understand what classes they've taken in high school. But what about the micro advising that is needed day to day, starting at ninth grade? That is when students are falling out of the gap through that entire pipeline. I'm Tiffany, and those are my hot takes.